What is the value of the expression 7 plus 9 inside the parentheses, then minus 12 divided by 2 multiplied by 6? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? At first glance, this expression seems very simple, but unfortunately, many people get tricked. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. And the first step of solving this question, many people go straight to the expression inside the parentheses and simplify the whole expression to 16 minus 12 divided by 2 multiplied by 6. And the next step, they perform the subtraction between 16 and 12 and simplify this expression to 4 divided by 2 multiplied by 6. And the final step, they handle the division between 4 and 2 and write this expression as 2 multiplied by 6, which eventually gives them the answer 12. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option C is the correct answer to this question. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Also, some other people when solving this question first go to the expression inside the parentheses and write this expression as 16 minus 12 divided by 2 times 6. And the next step, first they handle the multiplication between 2 and 6 because they believe multiplication has a higher priority than division. So, they rewrite this expression as 16 minus 12 divided by 12. And the final step, they perform the division between 12 and 12 because they think division has a higher priority than subtraction. So, they simplify this expression to 16 minus 1, which ultimately gives them the answer 15. And immediately, they conclude that option D is the correct answer to this question. But I have to say, we're tricked and it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. As you can see on the screen, and this expression, first we have a parenthesis, then a subtraction sign, followed by a division, and finally a multiplication. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule step by step. And this rule, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We must perform all the operations strictly from top to bottom according to the PEMDAS rule. Okay, first we go to the parentheses, because according to the PEMDAS rule, parentheses have the highest priority over all other operations. So, we can write this expression as 16 minus 12 divided by 2 times 6. And the next step, we move on to the division and multiplication, because multiplication and division have higher priority than subtraction. However, it's very important to note that multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this situation, the best approach is to start from the left and move toward the right, performing these two operations in order. So, first we start with the division between 12 and 2, which simplifies this expression to 16 minus 6 multiplied by 6. And the next step, we handle the multiplication between 6 and 6 because multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. And this expression simplifies to 16 minus 36, which ultimately gives us the answer negative 20. Therefore, option A is the correct answer to this question.